July 20th, 1969. The Eagle has landed. Legend has it that engineering's greatest feat of the 20th century was achieved using only a fraction of the computing power of a modern smartphone. Let's fast forward 50 years. If the Eagle Lunar Module were redesigned today and improved using SolidWorks Simulation, which tools would be used? As a designer, you already know that you need SolidWorks Simulation if you want to reduce cost and improve the safety of your designs. But with so many packages to choose from, it can be difficult to determine the perfect package for your endeavors. Over the next few minutes, let's address a handful of design challenges on the Lunar Lander. I'll show you all the tools and packages required for the job so you can make an informed purchasing decision and get back to designing with improved speed, cost, and safety. We're working on the descent ladder for the Eagle Lunar Module, and we've been tasked with making the design as light as possible without sacrificing design strength. SimulationXpress serves as a first-pass analysis tool, allowing us to assess design strength and potential for failure due to static loads. It only works on individual parts, but it also includes some basic optimization tools to help us design smarter. And as far as price, well, who can argue with free? If you have a license of SolidWorks, no matter which level, you already have access to SimulationXpress. For the landing outriggers on the Eagle, we need to simulate forces and reactions between multiple components in an assembly. Will they hold up to the load of the lunar module as it sits on the surface of the moon? Could they be designed more efficiently? If you have SolidWorks Premium, you already have another tool at your disposal to help you answer these questions. The simulation add-in that comes with SolidWorks Premium enables static and motion simulation for assemblies, allowing for deeper analysis and understanding of the interactions between components in your designs. A fatigue test is going to be indispensable to ensure that the outrigger assembly can withstand the takeoff and landing forces from multiple missions. Fatigue analysis is unlocked with Simulation Standard add-in, which also comes with static and motion analysis for assemblies, in case you don't already have SolidWorks Premium. In addition, you'll have access to more advanced fixtures, load types, and even productivity tools such as the Trend Tracker, enabling more precise and accurate simulation setup. To thoroughly vet the quality and safety of our lander, Simulation Professional introduces several additional study types. A frequency test can help us avoid resonance and excessive vibration when operating the lander. If the efficacy of heat shielding is a concern, perhaps a thermal study can put our minds at ease. In addition to several other study types, Simulation Professional also introduces two modes of design optimization for faster, lighter, and stronger designs that meet your requirements. Naturally, all the tools available in Simulation Standard are also included in Simulation Professional. Finally, for the most comprehensive design analysis, we have Simulation Premium. With the addition of both linear dynamic and nonlinear studies, you can be certain that your designs will perform to your standards, even in the most complex scenarios. What happens if our lunar lander crashes? How will large material deflections be handled? Simulation Premium is built for designers and simulation engineers alike who want to be absolutely certain in the quality and the safety of their products. SolidWorks Simulation can help keep our lunar lander design at the cutting edge for the 21st century, and it can do the same for your next project too, all without the need for physical prototyping. But, of course, when you're ready for physical prototyping, you can always produce a 3D print direct from SolidWorks. So which package will you be using? Take a look at the product matrix shown here to compare the features of each package, and feel free to pause for a closer look. Well then, are you prepared to take the one small step toward better, faster, and stronger designs? Now you can make an informed decision as to which simulation package is right for you. Give us a call today or visit us online to learn more about our simulation solutions and training opportunities and get ready to launch your designs into the 21st century.